Students, in our last class, we have discussed ways of expressing the present time, and in that class, we have discussed in greater detail the ways of expressing the present time. In that class, I have already discussed where to use simple present and present progressive. In this class, let us discuss the ways of expressing the past time. Let us first discuss about some dialogues. First, I tell you some dialogue. Anita, first dialogue gives, how was your weekend? Binita answers, oh, really good. I went to Puri with my family. Anita, did you spend some time at the seashore? Binita answers, wow, that was terrific. Have you ever been there? Anita, yes, I spent my childhood there. Look at the verbs in the dialogue I told previously. What tense form are they in? We use the following tense forms of verbs in order to express the past time. Okay, students, let us first discuss where to use the tense form to express past time. They are your present perfect progressive, past simple, past perfect, past progressive, and past perfect progressive. Students, let me first say in greater detail in which cases your present perfect will be used. Present perfect is used for a past action with present relevance. That means the action started in the past but it has relevance with the present time. So, in this case, present perfect will be used. I give you an example. I have done my homework, or I have already done my homework. That means this action started in the past time, but it has relevance with the present time, present tense. Okay, so this what present perfect is used in case of your past action with the present relevance. Let us discuss in greater detail about present perfect progressive. Present perfect progressive is used for something that started in the past, continuing in the at the present, and likely to continue in the future. Example, I am out of breath because I have been running round the playground. This is the case in which the action started in the past, continuing at the present, and likely to continue in the future. Okay, let us discuss past simple and let us know where to use past simple. Past simple is used for a past action that happened in a moment, or past action that happened over a period of time. Let us take an example. India became free in 1947. Okay. Another example is there. The British ruled over India for many years. That means what I told you, the action happened in a moment and past and or a past action that happened over a period of time. Similarly, past perfect is used for an older action in the past. Example is there. When we reached the station, the train had left. So we went to village by bus. Okay. Past progressive is used for an action in progress in the past. As an example, I was studying in class IX last year. Lastly, I give you an example of past perfect progressive in which that is used for a past action in progress for some time when another action took place, as in an example is there. They had been driving for 2 hours when the car broke down. Students, this is all about your what ways of expressing the past time. Thank you.